Welcome back. Today we are tackling a popular string manipulation problem, reorganizing a string. The goal is to rearrange characters so that no two adjacent characters are the same. Let's dive in. Here is the problem statement. You are given a string containing lowercase English letters. Your task is to permute the characters so that no two neighbors are identical. For example, if the input is ob, we can rearrange it to a ba. However, if the input is ab, it is impossible because there are too many a's to separate, so we return an empty string. The first step in solving this is understanding what we are working with. We need to count the frequency of each character. A hash map or a frequency array is perfect for this. In this example, A appears 3 times, B once, and C once. These counts are crucial for our next checks. Before we try to build the string, we should check if a solution is even possible. The Pigeonhole Principle applies here. If the count of the most frequent character is greater than half the length of the string rounded up, it is impossible to separate them all. If this condition is met, we return an empty string immediately. To build the result, we use a greedy approach. The rule is simple. Always pick the character with the highest remaining count that is distinct from the one we just placed. If we do not use the most frequent character as early and often as possible, we might be left with a pile of duplicates at the end that cannot be separated. To implement this efficiently, we need a data structure that gives us the character with the highest count instantly. A Max Heap or priority queue is the perfect tool. It stores our characters paired with their counts, keeping the most frequent one at the top. Here is the step-by-step algorithm. One effective way to avoid placing the same character twice is to process 2 characters at a time. First, pop the most frequent character. Second, pop the next most frequent character. Append both to your result. Decrease their counts, and if they still have occurrences left, push them back into the heap. Let's trace this with the input ob. Our map says A is 2 and B is 1. We put these in the heap. We pop the top 2, A and B. We append ob to our result. We decrement counts. B becomes 0, so it is done. A becomes 1, so it goes back in. Finally, we pop the last A and append it. The result is a ba. For complexity, building the heap takes time proportional to the number of unique characters, which is at most 26. Sorting or heap operations effectively take constant time because the alphabet size is fixed. Thus, the time complexity is linear, big O of n, where n is the string length. Space complexity is big O of 1 for the same reason. The map size doesn't grow with string length. To summarize, first, check the impossibility condition using the majority count. Second, use a max heap to greedily select characters. Third, you can process them in pairs or use an alternating index approach to fill the string. This guarantees a valid arrangement in linear time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.